Are you an entrepreneur with a big vision of how to help more people, have a bigger impact, and take your business to the next level, but you struggle to know how to do it? I mean, you're already wearing too many hats in your business. How can you do it all? We're here to help. I'm Gina Williams, founder of Websites That Elevate, and in 2016, I made it my mission to help entrepreneurs just like you take their business to the next level and reach their goals faster. My business partner and I had just finalized the sale of our multiple six-figure e-commerce company. We sold gifts for beer lovers, and it was so much fun. As I stood there at the crossroads of what to do next, I looked back at how far we'd come and I realized I now had the answer that so many entrepreneurs are looking for: how to use the web to attract more clients, help more people, and have a bigger impact. At that time, back in 2016, I'd spent almost 10 years studying, learning, and experimenting before I finally got the web working for me and my business, and I knew that that experience could help entrepreneurs just like you reach their goals faster. Now, 4 years later, my team and I have helped hundreds of entrepreneurs improve their businesses and their lives by helping them attract more clients and close more sales with websites that do the selling for them. Our clients see results like 4 times the clients in just weeks, full client rosters, over 250% increases in ROI on their ad spends, and 2 times the clients. It works because we know what it takes to turn ice-cold leads into raving, paying clients. We get these results for our clients because we're more than a web design agency. We're experienced entrepreneurs. We've been there wearing all the hats and wondering where and how we can get more clients. That's why we put the same proven sales strategies that successful businesses have been using for decades into your website. Because you need a website that does the selling for you so that you can spend your time doing what you do best.